Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Dr. Sharma and I really like to use screen recordings, and I use QuickTime Player to actually record some of my drawings and stuff like that in order to teach topics. And so I think I actually try to figure out how to use QuickTime Player to record not only the screen itself while I'm doing things, but also the sound. And I think sometimes people have some trouble with that. So a very brief video, I'm just going to show how exactly you do that. And in order to do that, I actually have to use a different little video, so I'm going to get to that in a second. But you open QuickTime Player and see how I can't show you that, because right now I'm actually recording the screen and my audio at the same time. So I awkwardly made just a video of my screen of me doing that. So I'm going to play this for a second, and you will see that we open QuickTime Player, right? We go to a new screen recording. And right next to that, there's a little drop-down arrow that shows you what you can use. You can use a built-in microphone. You can choose none. And usually when you open it right away, it's on none. And then you start a screen recording, and you're like, hey, what the hell? Why can't I record anything? I'm using a HyperX Quadcast microphone in order to record my sound. And then you can also show mouse clicks right there as I'm showing you. Click just anywhere to record the full screen. And then you can also drag part of the screen. That's really helpful if you don't want to see the entire desktop. Or in the right upper hand quadrant, you can press stop just like that. And that's pretty much it there. So awkwardly just did a QuickTime video inside of a QuickTime video, a little bit of inception there. And you see how you can have these little mouse clicks which don't occur while I'm recording the video, but afterwards you can see that. And then you should be able to see whatever you are doing actively on the screen, as well as record your audio. So remember that you have to go there, click the side when it opens up, that little drop down arrow, and click built-in microphone if you don't have your own microphone, or you can be a little bit fancy like I am and use this super nice microphone in order to record your sound. Hope that was helpful. I'm going to click up here at the top in order to stop the recording. Take care.